I'm here at Clay & Associates in Fort Dodge, Iowa, and I'm here with Dr. John Clay and Dr. Sean O'Neill. Guys, let's have a conversation about quality of life. I think that's the conversation people are having, and healthcare comes to mind, and dental care, that's your specialty. So John, first off, just tell people, if they're looking for a dental care provider in the Fort Dodge area, why should they maybe give you guys a call or at least look into you guys?
Well, we, as healthcare providers for the people of Fort Dodge, we think we owe it to our patient base to keep up with the latest technology. So recently we've invested in a 3D cone beam machine. And what that basically allows us to do is it allows us to see in very, very fine detail the anatomy of the jaw, which comes in very handy when we're placing implants. We can get the implant to within 1/100th of where we need to do it.
Yeah, I recently came here for a checkup, and it was unlike any other checkup I'd had. I was living in Des Moines for a long time, and it was the first time, Dr. O'Neill, I'd had someone take a camera into my mouth and take individual pictures of all of my teeth. I think that's the kind of cutting edge stuff that other places aren't doing that you guys are doing.
Yeah, I think we put a big stress on trying to educate the patients as well. All of our hygienists will take, not only the x-rays, but actual photos of the teeth to educate the patients what's going on in their own mouth. Are their teeth cracking? Or where is the decay? Where can they improve in brushing? And all of those things. And they actually use a camera to kind of show all of those areas instead of just explain what needs to be done.
Yeah, I think connections have been made, John, to people's health in their mouth and their overall health, right?
Yes, we look at it as somebody's health starts with their mouth. There's been a very strong correlation found fairly recently between heart disease and periodontal disease. So the same strain of bacteria is causing both of those. So as healthcare providers, you have to take notice of stuff like that. And we feel like that's kind of the first defense of not only improving oral health, but also making somebody healthy throughout.
Yeah, and you guys are committed, of course, to improving health here in Fort Dodge, but you're also both committed to improving the community. And Clay & Associates, I know you've done a lot of really cool projects. Let's talk about some of the things you guys have kind of been helping with in Fort Dodge.
We donated 15 trees to make the entryway to the new middle school more vibrant and more eco-friendly and all that stuff.
Sure, looks really nice.
Yeah, so we did that. We thought, that's just one way that we try to give back. Give back to the schools is something that we definitely like to do. But I have 3 kids in the school system, so it's just a good feeling to give back and to the community.
Dr. O'Neill, it seems like you guys are always doing some fun contests or giveaways or promotions to try to reach out to people in the community. What have you been doing lately?
Yeah, just recently this summer or springtime we did a giveaway for 2 family passes to the aquatic center here in town. And it was just one way to reach out to community members, spread our message to everyone in the community, but also give back to the community and give them something to look forward to for summer. A lot of times, people can't afford the family passes there, so it's just another way to give back. And a few months before that, we did one for the Community School Foundation. Any new patients that came in, we donated $50 to the school foundation. So again, giving back to the schools and to the community is always at the forefront for us at Clay & Associates.
So John, what can we look for in the future from Clay & Associates?
Well, we're going to continue to do what we're doing with an emphasis on giving back to the community. This community that we're all responsible for, that we all take pride in. So our overall goal here at Clay & Associates is to give our patients the best care possible, make sure that we have the latest technology to do all those things, and give the patient the best experience they can possibly give them.
And that does help improve the overall quality of life here in Fort Dodge. John and Sean, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Mom.